So you have your car in QuickJack, just finishing up an oil change when you decide you want to reward your car with a good wash. It's already raised like the trophy it is, but then you ask yourself, can QuickJack get wet? Hi everybody, and welcome to Quick Tips. I'm Miguel, and today we're gonna go over whether or not it's safe to get your QuickJack frames wet. Well, I really like to just say, yeah, go for it. Wash that car. Water never done no harm to no one. I mean, I wouldn't be lying, but you need the whole truth, which is, yes, the QuickJack frames can definitely handle water and soap from a normal car wash. But there's one important restriction: the hydraulic power units are not waterproof. Always remember to disconnect the hoses after the safety locks are engaged and relocate the power unit to a dry space until you're ready to bring the car back down. After it's properly locked, QuickJack doesn't rely on the power unit to stay up in the air, so your vehicle can remain lifted indefinitely. Another tip, as a QuickJack owner, you should already be doing regular monthly maintenance on your lift. But you already knew that, right? Part of keeping it maintained means to keep it lubricated as directed in the manual. Make sure you're lubricating all the hinge points with white lithium grease. This will help keep your unit working smoothly and prevent any rusting. My advice is to make sure it's greased before getting the frames wet. After the car wash is done, part of your routine is to dry off the frames before storing them away. You're going to keep your QuickJack in great shape if you follow these basic steps. Refer to the manual for more information on the lubrication points and other recommended maintenance. With all that in mind, I can tell you, yeah, go for it. Wash that car. And once you're done, make sure to follow us on social media and be a part of our community. We love seeing your projects. Lastly, if you haven't already, please subscribe to us here on YouTube to get the latest QuickJack content. See you next time.